I mean, I could have straightened my hair. Like, I'm an alien elf. Whatever that means. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Hot Mess. Hello, how are you doing? Do you like that? Do you like that? I put in everybody's intro. Everybody that's garbage. I'm just kidding. Some of these big YouTubers I really do appreciate. So I just thought it would be funny to change up the intro today. Anyway, on to the video. What's going on, YouTube? I am Hot Mess Ness MUA, otherwise known as Vanessa. And today's video, today's video is a collab. It is a collab with the Georgia Harris. I love her. I love her content. She's very creative. She's not your standard. Buy this. This is a great product. She comes up with some very interesting ideas. Her thought processes behind makeup, why she chooses makeup, is really inspiring. If you haven't checked her out, please go do so. Her link for her video will be down in the description box. Today's video, as I've stated, it is a collab with the Georgia Harris. And I was chatting with Georgia and I was like, hey, we should collab. We should, do a challenge or something of that nature. I said, why don't we pick each other's makeup? Like, you can send me pictures. And she's like, that's too many pictures to send. And then I was like, okay, let's choose a look for each other. And I thought, oh, that's a great idea. And then I realized, duh, it's Georgia Harris. Georgia Harris, the one that's willing to put glitter all over her face. Or do a Halloween series with these scary souls that look like trees, who will put liquid lipstick everywhere. I should have thought more before doing that, because the look that she initially sent me was this. I was thinking something that I could go to work with, because I work crazy, stupid hours. But no, not with Miss Georgia. So today's video, I think, is actually a challenge, because I'm going to show you the look that she wants me to create here. Now, I'm also going to give you a sneak peek of the look that I picked for her. Of course, I have to tell you this though. When she sent me the initial look, I was like, you're a jerk. And then I sent her something that was terrifying, just to be mean. But this is the look that I picked for her. So go check out Georgia's video, see how she created hers. I am not in any way, shape, or form telling you guys that this video is going to be amazing. I don't know that. I don't even know if this is going to turn out even okay. But we're going to try it, and regardless, I'm going to put up this video. It might be awful, because I'm going to have to wash all this off and go to work. But nonetheless, she is challenging me. What I did for this is I just pulled out some palettes that I thought I could use. I got the Viseart Dark Mattes. I got the Viseart Editorial Brights. I pulled out the Certified Tropic Wonders I have not used yet, but I thought I might be able to use some of these, some good old Sugar Pill, and I even got out the Divina Body Pots. These are for body painting, so I thought I might be able to get something out of them. So I will be referring back and forth to my picture, and most of this video will be in voiceover mode. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel from Georgia's, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It does wonders for my self-esteem. And if you want to see how I'm going to attempt this challenge, this collab that Georgia Harris picked for me, just keep watching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the blending. She's got a lot of purple, and then I'll just cave in the white. So I grabbed my trusty jumbo pencil in milk, and I smudged that in places that are going to stay white or that I wanted to really pop with the purple, and I just blended that out with a good old blending brush. I'm going to grab some of this Divina one. I haven't tried it. Maybe a mistake to be trying this on this, but let's see. So this is the Body Pots from Divina in Shy Violet, and I started placing that lightly because there's kind of a pink that pops through in this look, like a lighter purple to a darker purple. So I thought this color would help achieve that. I realized there was purple kind of everywhere, not just in that front part of the crease. So then I blended toward the nose. I started creating kind of a contour from the eye to the nose, and that was interesting. From the Certified palette, I grabbed Firefish. This is the lightest purple, but it was a deeper version than the Shy Violet, and I'm really working on that front part of the crease. Then I took a little tiny Sigma brush and I did the shade Honey Creeper to really define the crease. And this part I was comfortable at, because it's normal eyeshadow work. This part was fun. And I grabbed an eyeshadow pencil brush and the shade Starling, and I started working on the deepest purple. And in this look, there's like a blackened purple in the center, so I just add a little black with the purple and try to work that toward the middle so it'll pop up. And of course, I dipped into the original purple shades to blend out the edges, which was rough. The artist had it very purple toward the front of the crease, so I'm really just trying to buff in that darker purple and, into the part where the eye connects. After I laid down that purple, I put in the darkest purple and a little black to really deepen it up. Literally reached for so many different kinds of purples, even for my Viseart dark mattes, to try to get that various pop shade. So now time to start that orange. I used Toucan from the Certified palette. I went in lightly at first because I wasn't sure how it was going to translate, and I loved this color. And I just swept it underneath the eye and back around, trying to build that up. Here's mistake number one. I started doing the nose contour, and I have a crooked nose. So nose contour should never ever be first. Lesson learned. And then we're playing with color depth. I grabbed a little of the Viseart bright orange, and I'm just adding more orange, more color to what I already placed down. Then I grabbed a Sugar Pill orange because it's a little bit more deep of an orange. And this part I enjoyed. I loved doing this part. The purple and the orange. If I didn't have to add all the other stuff, I would have been immensely pleased with the eyeshadow. And back to the nose contour. Oh, I should have waited till everything else was completed before I started messing with this, and made sure that my nose was completely covered in foundation. It was looking a little blotchy. This is where I thought it would be a good idea to do a semi-cut crease with concealer, blend it out, and then I needed to, just blend out that edge a little bit from where the concealer was, and I blotched it. And I couldn't tell from the picture if the girl had an outer V, so I decided to deepen that up too, then realizing I need to add more orange. There was a lot of this where I would stare at myself. Am I even doing this right? So I used all three of the purples for the blush from the Certified palette. Started with the lightest. The darkest was terrifying to blend, but I'm not going to bore you with all that. It's just purple eyeshadows as blush. Purple contour not on fleek. Then I added the jumbo pencil again and blended it out, and then I started taking that socket into the nose contour. So it's like I brought the purple all the way down, and then I started working on the orange, and the orange went right up above the brow bone. I take most of the color from the base, and then as I was working it up, barely have anything on my brush. Then I thought, before I screw this up anymore, I'll trace it out with a little brush. At this point, I feel like a failed butterfly, like I'm taking a bad face painting class, and I'm failing. After the blending, it starts to look red, so I try to add more orange. Now we're gonna go into liquid liner. Oh, I hate this part. Terrible at liquid liner, so I'm showing you this, and then we're skipping ahead. I'll clean it up with the wipe. I'm not even messing with that. Oh, this side is rough. Oh, girl. Rough. It's like thick. It's like my kids did my makeup. We'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. I don't know how yet, but we're gonna move on to the white. Gonna be interesting. This is where amateur hour really gets heavy. I mean, you thought I couldn't do a line? Try taking liquid lipstick and trying to make a line. Oh, girl. Yeah. I don't know. Now, wherever I had too much white, I was just trying to add in a little bit more purple. We're gonna try to take a dinky brush and make a straight line, which I'm terrible at straight lines, but damn. This ain't easy. So she's got a line where the nose connects. This is so hard. That's what we're gonna do. Fake it till you make it. Georgia, curse you. I always look at these things and think, I could do that. Not. Not straight, not straight. Thank you, Georgia. I hope yours looks so much better than mine, because this is rough. Hers looks so well blended and mine looks so chunky. So I am going to try to find a brush that is not covered in crap. Give me a tiny. So I'm gonna coat the white and try to buff it out. Okay, mine went from fairy to Up alien real quick. Caslin thinks I look like a kitty. So I took Jeffree Star's Medusa and then just a darker shade on the inside. And then I actually tried to do little designs with the gold and realized that that was silly because I'm not that talented. And I just decided to rub a eyeshadow all over it. And the forehead lines. Oh girl, you gonna do something like that? You need to map it out first. If you're someone like me, just take your time and map it out. You know, it is what it is. And this is it. This is the finished look. What did I learn from this? You want to create Instagram baddie photos that look like alien magic? You need like 6 hours. 6 hours to sit there and hopefully someone recognizes your creativity. I feel like I could have done a lot better if I gave it more time. And this just isn't what I don't have this kind of time, you know, on the daily. But I found it so inspiring, so I'm so thankful. Thank you, Georgia, for pushing me out of my comfort zone. That does not mean I will be doing this on the regular. It does not mean that. But tell me, what do you think? Did I do okay? Throw the picture up here, and let me give you one of these elf poses. Yeah. Ridiculous. I know. I feel like such a makeup noob, like unblended, the lines, it's crazy. I couldn't even get a straight line on my forehead, guys. Wow. I hope you watched this and got a good laugh. And send your neighborhood Instagram chick, like let's go give this girl some love so that way she knows that I know how hard it is to recreate looks like this. Yeah, it was good. It was amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Miss Georgia Harris, thank you for pushing me out of my comfort zone. I am gonna go wash this off and go about the rest of my day. I gotta go to work soon. So thank you again. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notifications, all those kind of things, and we will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye. Forget you can subscribe down here, and for more videos, click over here. Possibly there. There's places to click. Click them all! Rawr. Or whatever aliens do.